To me, conceptually, health and safety by design is a consideration of everything involved in a project. It's not just a cold consideration of the immediate needs of the client. It's figuring out how to safely build it, how to operate it, how to decommission it even after its life. We leave these things for the future, so we need to actually consider it. An example on a project that I've recently worked on is the new Brighton Pier, where health and safety was a very important concern. So in the Canterbury earthquake sequence, the top-heavy structure went back and forwards. We knew that there was a damaged area just around seabed level or under the water as you go further out. And so obviously to have people down there was very high risk. So we had to work pretty hard to come up with ways where they could safely access the work and also the most simple repair, so they were down there for the minimum amount of time. We modelled through 12 designs that would fix the problem, but obviously our foremost consideration was health and safety. We basically created a design of a two-half jacket which just slid down over the damage. It could be dropped in from the top and it could be done in the wet or the dry, bolted up with divers if we couldn't get a dry working platform. And if things went more ideally, we could pump out the caisson and provided just a nice big, dry, safe environment which protected them from the wind, the waves, and obviously the water, which was sometimes well over head height. Getting the right contractor was the most important thing. They had to have the right procedures for eliminating risk. We had to be able to work together to, I guess, agree a safe methodology that we felt had dealt with the hazards effectively. Secondly, we learned the importance of not rushing in. We had to have a plan A, B, C, D, E and F. We didn't want to get into a situation where people would be put at risk trying to recover a failed methodology. So every methodology had to be considered through all of its potential failure modes. It's easy to perceive that something is a small chance, and if you do this, that it is a small chance. But if all of them could sequentially lead to someone being hurt, then we had to just eliminate that.